Can you really mine crypto on your phone and make money? Or is it just a waste of time? Let's see. In this video, I'll break down the best crypto mining apps, how they work, and whether mobile mining is even worth it in 2025. Let's check. By the end, you will know exactly what to expect. So stick around. Alright. First things first. Can you actually mine Bitcoin or Ethereum on a phone? The short answer is not ready. But let me explain why. Bitcoin and most major cryptos require powerful mining rigs, ASICs, GPUs to process transactions. Your phone doesn't have that kind of power. Second, most mobile mining apps don't actually mine in the traditional sense. Instead, they use cloud mining or reward systems where you earn coins passively. So, if you're expecting to mine a whole Bitcoin on your phone, sorry, it's not happening. But you can still earn small amounts of crypto. Let's talk about the best apps you can actually use to mine crypto on your phone. At first, the Pi Network, the most popular mining app right now. It works like a cloud mining system. No real mining happening, but you can accumulate Pi tokens daily. It doesn't drain your battery a little bit, but Pi isn't tradable yet. But we can say that in future it will be tradable, but it's not 100% confirmed. But we can hope that in future we will be able to trade this Pi token. The second one is CryptoTab browser. You can ever thought of mining Bitcoin while browsing? Yes, you heard me right. You can mine Bitcoin while browsing through your phone. It basically, CryptoTab browser uses your phone's CPU to mine Bitcoin. I just but as you know, it's not a lot of money. It gives a simple little bit, and yeah, it doesn't harm your CPU that much. But to be honest, it does even a little bit damage. It is. Although earnings are low, but it's passive and works while you only browsing. So, at number three is RollerCoin. With this website, you can earn crypto while by playing games. Yes, you heard me right. You can earn crypto while playing games. It has many games you can try, and as a reward, it will give you a little bit of crypto. Right now, it's saying register now, get 1,000 Satoshi. It just gives its next block size to 20,000 Satoshi. If you play games on this website, and you will be able to earn cryptos. It is, although earnings are also very low, but it is fun and engaging, but it requires some manual effort. Okay, let's be real. How much money can you actually make with Pi Network? It is actually zero right now since it's not tradable. Crypto maybe a few cents per day unless you refer people. In RollerCoin, more profitable but require consistent play. So the bottom line is mobile mining is not a get rich quick scheme, but it can be a fun way to earn a little extra crypto. That's it. So before you start mining, here are some things to keep in mind. You won't be making serious money in mobile crypto mining. You will get some little dimes, and that's it. The second one that you should have in your mind is some apps overheat your phone and reduces its lifespan by using the CPU without even letting you know. And also there are scams. You'll have to be careful of fake mining apps that steal data always from your phone. So before starting to mine in any app on your mobile, try to check reviews and the other important things you need to know. So, is mobile learning worth it? If you're just curious and want to try it out, sure. But if you're looking to make serious money, stick to real mining setup or investing in crypto. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have tried one of these apps. See you in the next one.